Good morning. My name is George Junko, your nurse for today. So for today, we will do the 4 procedures, which are bed bathing, shampooing, oral care, and back massage. The first thing we need to do is review the patient's medical record and identify the doctor's order. Then after that, gather all the equipments. As you can see, I already gathered the equipments. After that, do hand hygiene and wear gloves. Then after that, identify the patient. So what's your name po?
Okay ba to?
Age po sir?
19,
Your birthday sir?
September 14, 2000.
Sir, do you mind if I check your wristband?
It's okay, miss.
Okay, thank you. And after that, provide privacy at all times. Then after that, explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, I will go into bed bath you.
Okay, miss.
Then after that, adjust the bed to the working position. Let's assume that I already adjusted it under the elbow. Then I already lock the wheels. And after that, ask the patient to use bedpan. Offer the patient. I'm sorry. Sir, do you want to use bedpan?
No.
Okay. And after that, let's continue to the procedure. The first thing we need to do is put towel under the patient's head. So I will put towel under the head. Thank you. Then after that, wipe the patient's face, eyes, face, ears, and neck. So I will wipe it up. Maybe the other side too. And after that, dry it. And after that, rub the towel under the patient's head. Then, lower the side rails. Then, rub the blanket, sorry. Then, put towel under the patient's arm. So, I will put towel under the arm. Then, wipe it. Just you get hot. Don't forget the arms. And after that, dry it. After that, remove the towel, raise the side rails, bring back the blanket, patient, and repeat the same procedure onto the left arm of the patient. Lower the side rails, remove the blanket, put towel under the patient's arm, then let's repeat the same procedure. Then wipe it with dry cloth. And remove the towel, bring back the blanket, and raise the side rails. After that, ask the patient that you will pull down the blanket, expose his chest, but put towel so that you can provide privacy at all times. Then tell the patient that you will wash his chest, under umbilical, and perineum. So I will go into wipe it. Then after that, dry it. Remove the towel. Then bring back the blanket and raise the side rails. Then after that, lower again the side rails. Tell the patient that you will remove the blanket on his right feet so that he can be exposed. Make sure that the right feet is the only exposed. Then put towel under his right feet. Then wash it. Don't forget the foot. After that, try it. After trying it, remove the towel, bring back the blanket, then raise the side rails. And repeat the same procedure onto the left foot of the patient. So with the side rails, tell the patient that you will raise the blanket so that his left feet will be exposed. Put the towel, then repeat the same procedure. Oh no, that's right. So I will wipe it again.
Okay.
After that, dry it. After that, remove the towel. Bring back the blanket. Then raise the side rails. After that, ask the patient to do this position so that we can wipe his buttocks. Sir, I will move you on the side position so that I can wipe your buttocks. And lower the side rails, of course. Make sure that the buttocks is covered so that the patient won't feel any embarrassing moments. Then, put the towel under his buttocks so that there is spillage on the bed. Then, wipe it. After wiping it, make sure to dry it. Then let's remove the towel and bring the patient back to supine position. So I will bring back in the previous position. Then raise the side rails and repeat the same procedure on his left buttock. Lower the side rails. Ask the patient to do same position again on the different side. Then put towel under his buttocks. Then wipe it. Sorry. After wiping it with wet, make sure to dry it. Remove the towel. Then, ask the patient to bring back to his previous position. Then raise the side rails. Ask the patient if he's in comfortable position. Sir, in comfortable position.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. And after that, remove gloves and do hand hygiene. Let us assume that I already did that because there will be another procedure. And after that, document everything you did to the patient. Then let's continue to the next procedure, which is shampooing. Let us assume that I already identified the client, verified the doctor's order, do hand hygiene and wear gloves. Then let's explain the procedure to the patient. So the last thing we will do is shampooing your hair po.
Okay, nurse.
Then let's proceed to the procedure. Remove the patient's pillow. Then put towel under his head. Put basin under the patient's so that we can prevent any spillage. Then put cover on his eyes so that we can prevent any eye irritation. Then wet the patient's hair. Gently rub it. After wetting it, put shampoo on his hair. Then gently rub it. You're making sure that you already rub on his hair. Rinse it in clean water. After rinsing it, dry the hair of the patient. Gently rub it. Then after that, remove the basin and the cover on the patient's eye. Remove the towel. Then, put a new and clean pillow. And after that, as the patient is in comfortable position, sir, are you in comfortable position?
Yes, nurse.
Thank you. Then do hand hygiene and remove the gloves. Make sure that I already did it. Then document everything. Then the next procedure we will do is oral care. Let's assume that I already did the 5 things that we need to do. Then let's continue to explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, today we will going to brush your teeth.
Okay, yes, then.
Then, after that, lower the side rails and ask the patient to do sitting position. Sir, can you sit so that I can brush your teeth? Okay. Thank you. Then, after that, put towel under his right here so that we can prevent any spillage. Then, with the equipment, we put this and brush. And ask the patient if he can do it independently or he needs my guide. Sir, do you need any provision or you can do it?
I can do it.
Thank you. Be sure to ready the water and basin so that the patient can gargle after. Sir, are you done?
Yes.
After that, wipe the patient's mouth. Remove the towel. Then, place the patient on his previous position. Yes, sir. Sir, are you in comfortable position?
Yes.
Sir. After making sure that the patient is in comfortable position, raise the side rails, do hand hygiene and remove the gloves. Let's assume that I already did it. Then, document everything. After that, the last thing we need to do is back massage. We assume that I already did the 5 important things to do. Then, let's proceed to the patient's. Let's proceed that I will explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, I will go into back massage po.
Okay, yes.
After that, lower the side rails. Then, tell the patient that I will do dorsal position so that I can massage his back. Sir, do you mind if you bawal?
Yes, nice.
Thank you. And after that, let's assume that I already raised the t-shirt of the patient so that I can put lotion and do the procedure. Put lotion on the back of the patient, sorry. After that, do the massage. After doing it, bring back the patient's shirt. Then ask the patient to do supine position. Sir, I will bring back you to your own position. Use the blanket and ask the patient if he's in comfortable position. Sir, in comfortable position.
Yes, nurse.
Thank you. Then raise the side rails. And after that, remove the gloves. Do hand hygiene. And document everything. And we're done.